Hello everyone, good day to you all. Welcome to Ima's Chef Recipes. In today's video we are going to make this tantalizing zucchini omelette recipes. So that's what we are going to make today. But if you have not subscribed to our channel and you are coming for the first time in this channel, you can see that red button that says subscribe. Click the red button. At the same time, remember to turn on your notification, because whenever we upload any new videos you get to be notified. That is the essence of clicking the notification bell. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the kitchen. In making this omelette with zucchini, we need frittata. In Italy it is called frittata alla zucchini. So we are going to make this. This is our zucchini. Here is our salt, here is our pepper, here is our onion, and here is our egg. We are going to use these few ingredients in making it. So let's get started by chopping our zucchini. So what we need next is to mix, but by then we need to add in some pinch of salt and our pepper, black pepper. Because I love to eat this with pepper more. So next thing is to pour in our onions. And our zucchini. So we are going to on our heat. So I'm going to just put a little oil so that it will not stick on the bottom. Olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I'm using olive oil to avoid it from sticking. I know the pan is on sticker, but it's non-stick, but I don't want to risk it. So next thing is to pour in our zucchini mixture. let it cook. And the process, we are waiting for it. You can see it's getting done. The zucchini will get done, but you know it's good to eat it half done. So that is why I prefer to do it this way. Okay. You need to see it's remaining a bit. Let's leave it for a bit. Sorry guys, the voice you are hearing behind are my children, so you have to bear with me. So right now we need to turn it so that it will not get stick on the bottom. And how are we going to do it? It's very simple. I would have loved to use plates. So as you can see, our omelette is ready.
So if you like this video, give us a like, and at the same time, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, subscribe for more videos, and also let us know below the comment section what you think about. So thank you for staying tuned.